Well, I have to admit, I did not see this one coming. The IEC officially deregistered Umkhonto Wesizwe for being voted for in the 2024 national elections. Meaning everyone who was excited to vote for Umkhonto Wesizwe won't be able to do so because Jacob Zuma is in court right now appealing this decision. Yes, I do have faith in our justice system, but the timing is wrong. I mean, a court case can drag on for months, let alone this case. This could drag on for years because it would mean that they would have to change the constitution. This is the wrong time to take any court case to court that has to do with voting, because the elections are next month, a month away, and we know court cases could take years and months. So Umkhonto Wesizwe, I don't know. But I think the court will make an exception for this one special case, because if they could move so quick